Black Tech Tidbits. A network engineer traced an old cable through a crowded server room. "Just cut it," someone said. "Not yet," the engineer replied, checking the connection. Following the line, they discovered it powered a forgotten backup system still in use during outages. Disconnecting it without checking would have caused chaos. "Why not replace it all?" someone asked. The engineer shrugged. "A new setup doesn't fix what you don't understand." Sometimes, solving problems means following the lines others ignore.